this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Have a Hoot bundle. So here's the card, super cute. And here's the Have a Hoot bundle. It has stamps for both Halloween, these, and for Christmas. And then these are the dies. They cut out all the owls. And then there's also this fun die here that cuts out these windows. And I used it on this Halloween card right here. Isn't that super fun? So for this card, I started off with a pool party card base. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. And stitched rectangle die. And then I've used crumb cake and a brush. And I'm just going to slowly start off the paper, and I'm going to brush on the crumb cake, dark on the edge, and then soft in the middle. So darker on the edge, more pressure, and then soft in the middle. And I'm going to do that from each corner. So dark and then soft. I just like the softness of the brush instead of just cutting out a piece of crumb cake cardstock, and the variation of color that I get. It just provides a really nice soft background. And each one is different, so each one is unique. So get it dark in the corner here, and then softer in the middle. All right, very nice. All right, so now I'm going to use the stamp. I've already stamped, colored, and cut out my little cute owl, but I'm going to use the stamp again, and I'm going to use markers to color the tree branch in Early Espresso. So that my owl isn't just floating in the air. And then the little stars and dots in Pool Party. I'm going to stamp that in the middle. And it gives me a nice background for my owl. So I'm going to add some dimensionals to my owl and to this stitched rectangle and to the tag. And I also have some embroidered ribbon, super pretty, coordinates really nicely with the crumb cake color, that I'm going to slip through this tag here. And then I'm going to use some twine to tie a bow around it to just hold it in place. Go, cute bow. So now I can put the card together, and then I'm going to show you how to stamp stays on vellum. So there's our cute little owl. We'll get that ready to add to our stitched rectangle. We'll just take all these backings off of our dimensionals. We'll just add this in the middle here. In the middle. We'll just put this towards the top. And then we're going to add Merry Christmas. Here's my vellum, hard to see sometimes. And we're going to use StazOn ink. StazOn is perfect for using on vellum and anything shiny or glossy, like glossy cardstock, or what else? Window sheets, glass, anything like that. So I'm just going to stamp Merry Christmas towards the bottom. This is a little bit taller than I need it to be, but I'm going to trim it off. So straight down and straight up, and then let it dry a little bit. I'm going to close my StazOn because it has a unique smell. And then I've got some StazOn cleaner that I'm going to use. I'm just going to rub some on right here. And then you can clean it off on your Stampin' Scrub or use a baby wipe to kind of wipe that up. Whatever you would like. And then kind of let this dry a little bit. And I'm just going to trim off the top of it. So put it about there. Maybe a tiny bit more in. And then another great thing about Stampin' Seal is it doesn't really show through vellum. Uh-oh, I think I'm out. Maybe I have a little bit left. Okay. So now we just add this down here, and there is our cute little Christmas card. So I'm offering a class on Have a Hoot. It's a Christmas class, so they're all Christmas and they all have a similar color theme. You can go to my website, elainescreations.net, click on Shop Now, and use this October hostess code. When you place a $30 order, you'll get this card class for free. You just need to email me at elaine@elainescreations.net and let me know that you'd like the Have a Hoot card kit bundle for free, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can check out all my videos, especially the videos on these other cards in the Have a Hoot bundle suite. And don't forget to also click on the bell so that you are notified each time I put up a new video. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.